Okay, I'm gonna try to recreate, see if I can recreate this situation here. Coolant sensor temperature, and take air temperature pretty close. My battery look like it definitely got a slow leak. I unplugged the fan control one relay. See what the coolant is reading. I'm gonna try to run the car and I'm gonna watch as the coolant temperature is gonna rise normally. The gauge still doesn't work, but according to the sensor, looks like it's doing its job. So I'm gonna go start the car. Okay, here we go. Check engine light is from the P0117 code. Rather quickly though, but we'll see. Wow, I got a second one popped up now. Oh yeah, well that's because I have the relay unplugged, so that's okay. The fan is not on right now, but yeah, this one I don't have to worry about. This one, let's see what's going on here. That one too, I don't know, but so we see the coolant temp sensors going up. I mean temperature going up nicely. I'm gonna come back in a few minutes, gonna let the car warm up. A little bit of my garage here. Got the Magnum project over there. My Chrysler engine. And a little bit of what's going on over here. But I'm just gonna let the engine warm up and see what we get. Okay, we're still climbing. 96. Temp sensor, the relay is still off. Okay, I'm reading pretty good here, so we'll see how long it goes before it goes to 284. Because I believe is when I plug the relay in is when the temp sensor. Oh, let me go show the dash, the temp gauge. Okay, the temp gauge here still not working, even though the scanner is oh shit. I think I should have been recording this way. But yeah, the temp gauge, they're not working. Everything hooked up the way it should be. So I don't know if this is as a result of the problem that's going on or the temp gauge not working. It's just something different, but just wanted to show that real quick. Interesting. So the I just felt like the RPM change, and I listened closely, and I came out here, and I noticed that the fan is on, and so the fan kicks on anyway. I think as the computer reads the temp or whatever, and if it doesn't see the values, but I don't know what's going on here, but I guess when you read 100 and something degrees Fahrenheit, it just went straight to 284. Now I'm gonna try to put this in here. Actually, let me not plug it in. Let me go shut the car off and see if the fan is still gonna come on anyway. Okay, I have the temp sensor unplugged here, and here's what what it's reading here. Negative 38.2. So I will be inclined to say that this means that the sensor is working, because I mean, I unplugged that. This is what it should be reading. And when I plug it back in, only thing is it's gonna read 284 again. It's gonna read the maximum temperature. Okay, I'll have it plugged back in. Temperature right there. So I don't know what to make of all of this. If I have a break in the wire, I would think that it won't communicate these temperatures that at least I'm getting from startup. I would think that it wouldn't even read the temperature. This is another sensor that I have put in there, and the same behavior. I have a new temp sensor in right now, brand new, and it's the same thing. So I mean, if I have a break in any of the wire that communicate to the PCM, I would think that it's either gonna read the low, or it's gonna be solid all the time. But what I notice is from cold engine, it starts reading the temperature, but as soon as it gets up to 100 and something, I didn't know exact temperature that it got to before it went up to 284, because I was inside the car. But when it gets up to a certain temperature, it just goes to 284. But once the engine cools down and everything, give it some time, the temperature is going to drop back down. It's not going to read 284 anymore. So it's kind of confusing. I have no idea what to do or what I'm supposed to be doing here. So please help me out here.